Well, hello again everyone. You might have seen that the recent short video we did showing the water ingress into that replacement window I put into the back door. And yeah, sort of a week or so later there is still water ponding in the bottom of that window. It was pretty heavy driving rain we had, but I'm surprised that the water has got in there. I guess there are some weaknesses on the seal. As you saw when we put the window in, there was some corrosion on the aluminium, but there's plenty of that non-setting mastic behind there, and also that lanolin grease. It's pretty hard to see where that water could have come in, because that's supposed to be all sealed up. There's been some discussion in the comments section about this, and you know, I don't want to leave the water in there because we are starting to get frost now, and I think if that freezes that could split that window like the other one was. So I think I'm going to drill a little hole just to relieve the water in there, let that drain out a little bit, and maybe that'll prevent any gathering in there. I mean, obviously that's kind of not the point of this sealed double glazed window, but yeah, I'm not seeing any other way of dealing with it. I mean, that is supposed to be a sealed space as far as I can tell. I'm going to go for this 4.5mm drill, and I'm going to heat the end up a little bit first before I drill it, just to try and avoid any sort of cracking or crazing on the perspex. Well, there we go. That hole is slowly allowing that water to drain out, and that should prevent any more water gathering in there and allow any that does get in there to evaporate. Obviously, the hole is not absolutely at the bottom of the gap because there's a taper there, and I didn't want to damage the outer skin. I'm not really convinced this was the best thing to do, but it solves the immediate problem, and it's going to stop us getting frost damage on that window, I hope. Yeah, a bit of an unconvincing one, that one. Let me know in the comments if you'd have done something different about that, because I'm still not sure that was the right thing to do, but I couldn't really think of anything else to do. I mean, obviously if the seal on that window has failed, if the two bits of perspex are no longer properly sealed together, then really the only alternative is to buy yet another window, if I can find another second-hand one. And obviously doing any damage to the window I've got is not a great loss if that seal is already gone on it, I think. Anyway, let me know if you'd have done something different there. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Give the like button a press. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more.